2008 Infiniti EX35, the auto down works, but the auto up or anti-pinch is not working. See, you gotta hold it up. So put it halfway first, press all the way down, and give it 2 seconds. Then put it halfway up, then pull upwards without triggering the auto pinch, and hold for 5 seconds and let go. So it should work now. Bring it down and put it up. There you have it. Similar on the passenger side, the auto down works, but the auto up doesn't. See, you have to pull it all the way up to make it work. So put it halfway down, then press it all the way down, including the auto down. Give it 2 seconds. 1, 2. Then pull it up without pulling the auto up. Then give it like 1, 2, 3 seconds. Then let it go. So now it should work. Auto down and auto up. Ta-da! And this should work with all other Infiniti models and Nissan models with the same Windows system. Thank you for watching.